When a loved one passes away, the following days are a blur. A family gathers around the kitchen table, drained, processing an enormous loss. In those immediate moments, the only thing that should matter is coming together, sharing memories, and supporting each other through the grief. But the reality is that the financial world does not pause out of respect for that grief. Almost instantly, bills and unexpected costs begin demanding attention. The most immediate hurdle: funeral and burial. These arrangements carry steep price tags that frequently require large out-of-pocket payments right away. Without a plan in place, that initial sorrow quickly spirals into panic. Loved ones are suddenly forced to figure out how to cover thousands of dollars they simply might not have. And unfortunately, the costs don't stop at the cemetery gates. This cascading chart illustrates how fast those secondary expenses stack up. We start with the funeral, but soon after come limbering NIPL bills, unpaid personal debts, and the sudden gap in daily living expenses. Creditors expect prompt payment for these obligations, which often forces grieving relatives to dip into their own savings or take on high-interest loans just to stay afloat. Leaving a family to navigate these towering financial liabilities during their most vulnerable moment is the specific problem that requires a proactive solution. That proactive solution is final expense coverage. The policy focuses entirely on immediate protection rather than building generational wealth or serving as a long-term investment vehicle. It functions as a direct mechanism for liquidity, providing a fast, tax-free cash payout, which is intended strictly to remove financial stress when a claim is filed. And that payout offers you complete flexibility. The surviving family can apply those funds wherever they are needed most, whether paying a hospital bill, settling personal debts, or keeping the lights on. It acts as a financial shock absorber, granting your loved ones the breathing room they need to mourn and heal without monetary distractions. Navigating end-of-life planning can often feel overwhelming, which is why an independent guide steps in to help families map out their options. Because they work with multiple carriers, these guides are not locked into pushing a single product. They review your specific situation and match your health profile to the plan that fits perfectly. The application process itself is straightforward. You bypass invasive medical exams entirely. Usually, you just need to answer a few basic health questions. Thanks to this streamlined system, approval decisions come back incredibly fast, often instantly. While standard inflation steadily rises, your monthly premium is a flat line. It locks in for life. Beyond the payout, these programs grant access to modern organizational tools to set up digital wills and trusts, helping securely organize and protect your family's future paperwork. From the independent matching process to the rapid approval and included digital tools, the entire system is engineered to give you simple, reliable protection without any unnecessary complexity. Let's return to that kitchen table, but this time with a plan already in place prior to the loss. The sense of missing a loved one is exactly the same, but the chaotic stack of bills is gone. It has been replaced by clarity, order, and time to breathe. This peace of mind is highly accessible, especially for individuals over the age of 50, even those who might have minor health concerns. Establishing this protection acts as a final, profound gift of love for the family left behind. Reach out to an independent guide today for a simple, pressure-free chat to explore your options. Make sure your family's hardest day isn't made worse by financial worry.